This one, the pot is wood pot. Also mix different leaves. This can be put outdoor. And the size is about 58 cm from the top of the leaf to the bottom of the leaf. 58 cm. So this one is 48. 48.
Is it the same one or different?
The plant is different. You can see the plant is different.
A similar one?
Yeah,
the container is the same?
Same, wood container, yeah. Just the plant is different.
In very antique color, very old. And we can hem it up. It will be a very good decorative item. This is number 49. Number 49. Okay, so next one.
This one, the base is a ball. With some green moss and also some roots. That's like the natural roots come out from the ball. Different plants, so it looks more natural. And for the roots, you can see we have some flocking with some green, just like green moss. The size of this one, the height is about 30 cm. 30 cm.
With a lot of roots.
Yes.
Here on the ball.
Yes.
And green moss.
So this one is 50. Also can be put outdoor. 50.
Now,
this is big.
This one, a big cube hanging. Okay, also mixed with different plants. Different. I think more than one. This is one different. And
1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5.
5. More than 5 different plants mixed together. And with small roots here.
Also, the roots, the colors are different. Some brown, some dark green. So it looks more natural. And the size of this one.
Okay.
Let me take the measure. It's about 80 cm. 82, 83 like this cm. This number is 51.
51.
This is another ball and with different plants.
Another design. The base is a ball. Also, it's very special here. The plant mixed. And the bowl with moss. Okay, for this one, number 52.
This
Number
is
52.
different plants.
Mm-hmm.
Different
This
plants.
is more, I think more plants here, bigger. 52 for this one, and
Introduce this one.
okay, this one, big one. More plants here.
This number 53.
Okay, this is number 53.
And the size of this one is about 61 cm. 61. From here to here, 61.
So this is number 53.
Okay. This is another plant.
Different
Different
space.
space. The shape is different. Take a close look to this.
Like a bullet. This.
Like a carrot.
Carrot? Okay. You like eating, I like fighting.
And the green moss and some matte green, so it looks more natural. And also this
With her,
horse.
not so smooth.
Yes, and some looks like a root. It's different plants. Many different kind of plants. Also can be put outdoor. For this one, the size of this one, 52 cm. From the top to the bottom, 52 cm. These are all plastic, but it feels soft. Okay, this one, the number is 54. This one, the size. The size for the base is about 24 cm. Oh, sorry. 24.
So this is the number?
54 already showed. Okay, the next one is
Okay, next one. Import. This one, the firm serious import. I think it's good. Oops. Okay, I would like to show you the base here. Blocky with roots. So it looks so wild. Okay, the size of this one is 50 cm tall, 50 cm. And this vase base is plastic. And also we can put, if you want, we can use this kind of, this paper mache, this pot in this color looks very, very old, this one. And also it's very good match. But most of our customers, they prefer this one, and this one maybe they can buy separate pot. And a customer, they buy separately this and separate vase they can make by themselves. I think it's a good idea. Now, many store customers, they buy only this. And this one, they can buy separately.
Yes. This
So
material,
this is
plastic, but it's soft. You can see the color of the stem. It can match your leaves very well. Looks natural. And also for some flocking. This is number 55.
number 55.
Yes.
And another one, a little different from this one. Just compare.
Same plant. Same plant.
The pot is the same. With roots also. Only the base is different. We can show two different. The only difference here, the base. Of course, this item will cost more, so the price will be higher than this one, than the left one on my left. So now for this one, the number is
55.
55, and for this one, 56. More simple, but still very nice, in good price and with roots, these details. So this is number 56.
This is another leaf. I think should compare the plant with that one. Similar, but the plant is different. You can compare.
Okay. Now I would like to introduce another one. The same, a similar base, but it's
the plant
different.
Is different. The plant.
No, also the base a little
yes.
different.
Yes.
Okay, show you. Let's compare. This is different. This one on my right side, more small roots. Here, no, different with brown blocking. Okay, now let's introduce this one.
57.
Let's see, also very natural.
This is blocking.
No, this one is number 57.
Another one without that base.
Okay. Compare.
Mm-hmm.
Another one.